GPD Pocket 4, the ultimate portable AI powerhouse. Revolutionary design meets unparalleled performance. Imagine a device redefining portable computing. The GPD Pocket 4 is not just a laptop, it's a technological marvel that fits in the palm of your hand. This is more than a gadget. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile computing. Groundbreaking display technology. The 8.8-inch LTPS screen is a visual masterpiece, offering crystal clear 2.5K resolution, lightning-fast 144 Hz refresh rate, innovative 180-degree rotation, DC dimming for eye comfort, a unique T-shaped hinge for unprecedented viewing angles. Powerhouse performance. At its core, the GPD Pocket 4 boasts the revolutionary AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX37 processor, delivering advanced AI capabilities, AMD Radeon 890M integrated graphics, up to 64GB LPDDR5X memory, 7,500 MB per second, up to 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage. Connectivity beyond limits. The GPD Pocket 4 excels in connectivity with features like a USB 4 port, 40 GHz, a USB-C port, 10 GHz, HDMI 2.1 supporting 4K, 8K displays, RJ45 network port, up to 2500 MB per second, Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-fast internet, optional 4G LTE expansion module. Uncompromising user experience. This device is tailored for creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts. 1-second boot with fingerprint unlock, Apple-inspired unibody aluminum design, advanced cooling system with pure copper module, precision touchpad supporting 3-finger gestures, a 5-megapixel 2.5K camera for clear video calls, a 45-watt wide battery with 100-watt fast charging, up to 9 hours of video playback. Dual 2W speakers with DTS-X audio. More than just a device, the GPD Pocket 4 is more than a computer. It's a portable workstation, creative studio, gaming companion, and a gateway to endless possibilities. This device doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. Experience the future. Hold innovation in your hands.